Yo, what up, Green Bay fans? Listen, before this whole game goes down, yeah, Colts, bye-bye. I wanted to share with you guys something that I've actually came up with because I'm also in the middle of getting ready to install Christmas lights outside. Yesterday, I put in a outdoor outlet and I'm gonna try out my new outlet outside. And Pete here, he is going to help me demonstrate what this whole little thing is. Okay, so thanks, Pete. Listen, all of you parents out there, and especially ones that still have toddlers, you get an insane amount of these little kids' clothes hangers. And either you feel bad about throwing them out because you think like you're going to use them, or you don't even take them anymore because you have 7 million of them because they come with so many clothes. Anyway, so what I started to do, because when you get done with Christmas, like if you're like me, when you get done with Christmas, I'm done with Christmas. I want to throw that stuff in a box and I don't even want to look at it for several months, right? Just kidding. Christmas is my favorite holiday, but I'm just done. I don't want to even deal with these things. So they get usually really tangled up, right? Well, so I decided I was going to come up with a solution as to making my life easier at the end of the year. So this is what I've decided to use. So how do you use a little hanger? You find the center. So you walk out and straighten out your lights and you find the center. And the center then goes around the neck of the hanger. And then you just wrap evenly both of the sides of your lights. So at the end, all you're left is to clip the two ends, the male and the female parts, together in the front. That way, when you go to wanting to hang them up, look at this. It's okay. It's only going to get stuck because I don't want it to get stuck. But you're seeing that it's coming off. The sides stay apart. Just don't let your little kids help you because then they're going to be back to being all tangled. Just kidding. Maybe that's just my kid. All right, so that's my little Christmas tip. Hopefully that makes your Christmas season a little bit nicer. Not like 2020 hasn't kicked all of us to the ground anyway, but you know what? If we can try to save a little bit of positivity, I'm going to do that. This is a little bit of a stress reliever, so I don't have to deal with opening a box and just probably throwing it away. Colts, you're going down because Green Bay is going to kick your butt. Peace.